So the rainforest of continental North America is different, yes? What's the name of the rainforest?
Pacific rainforest? Pacific Rim or something like that?
Pacific Rim rainforest?
Don't quote me on that.
Like, it's not really the temperature that you'd expect a rainforest to have, but you can see everything is pretty green. There's moss that sticks to the dead branches of trees. The trees are ginormous, and yeah, it's really a fantastic atmosphere. We're just going to continue our walk around Nanaimo's offshore Newcastle Island.